Hi guys, it's Legionero back with another video. Today I will be decorating my June 2022 monthly view. Don't really have a theme. I'm just going to lay some stickers down. I'm using this Journaling Doodles sticker book by the Happy Planner. This is an old sticker book, so I'm not real sure if they still have it in stock. I haven't seen it in stores, but I also haven't been looking that hard either. So you never know. Sometimes you can go to different stores and they still have certain sticker books in the store. So I'm just gonna lay down some stickers, just so I'll have some things in my monthly view. So nothing really new for this month. I am still taking my training class. I have that class until June the 15th. So I will still be tired and working a lot up until June 15th. And it won't really stop on that day. Because then I got to start work. I probably can take some days off. I'm going to put this little sunshine here, just to mark that I'll be done with my class. But it's very interesting. It's a job to do Disney reservations. I will say that the system is not hard to learn, but it is a lot of policies. There's different policies for different reservations. So, yeah. I'm learning a lot of information. And it's just something to do part-time. It's not going to be like a full-time gig or anything like that. Just something part-time, to make a little extra money, because we definitely need extra money nowadays with everything going up. Speaking of, I was in the grocery store the other day and I was just looking around. I wasn't looking for anything in particular, just kind of looking around, and a loaf of bread. Well, the loaf of bread that I like, I can never remember the name of it, but it's in a brown bag. You can't see the bread from the outside of the bag. It's in a brown bag. $6.09 for a loaf of bread. That is insane. Insanity. So everything's going up. Up. Like I said, I don't really have a theme going here. I'm just grabbing little doodle stickers and laying them down here in the planner. I think I just really wanted to come on and talk to y'all. Father's Day is June 19th. And that's also Juneteenth. So I'm sure that day will be full of festivities. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go home that day, or home meaning to my mom's house, or if I'm just gonna stay here. Definitely going to send my dad some lottery scratchers, scratch offs. He loves that type of thing. He never really wants presents. He just always asks for scratch offs. I don't want to cover up my number. Maybe I should do it like that. Yeah, he doesn't really like gifts. So I just always buy him scratch offs. I'll also sometimes make him a t-shirt or a sweatshirt. Something that says best dad ever, something like that. But other than that, he doesn't really care too much for gifts. This is so random. I'm trying to use my sticker books because I have a ton of Happy Planner books. So there might be more randomness with me doing this. Not every month, but maybe a couple of times a month. Just to use my stickers. I want to learn how to memory plan. And I think these stickers will be good for that. Because you can use these type of stickers to represent different things in a memory planner. So these little cell phone icons for Friday. But yeah, not too much going on in June besides my training class. Not really super busy, and I don't have a lot going on. Not that I know of. May have 1 or 2 doctor's appointments. I know I have one for sure. That's just a nurse visit. And then the other one may not be until July, I think. Which is an appointment with a nutritionist, because I need to figure out what my relationship with food is. I don't know if I am an emotional eater. I don't know if I eat when I'm bored. I don't really keep up with that type of thing. Maybe I should with all these planners. Maybe something I should keep up with. When I find myself snacking, I think I may do that. All these notebooks and planners and stuff I got, I need to use them. Trying to find some more stuff to put down here. I don't think I have any birthdays in June. Not with close friends and family. Facebook always lets me know about, Facebook friends. Um, but I don't think I have any family birthdays coming up. So I don't have to put down any balloons or anything like that. Put down this little plant. Now this is one thing I have not gotten into. I see a lot of people getting into gardening and having plants and different things like that. I was like, I have enough going on than trying to take care of a plant as well. I was like, I can't do it. Yeah, I think somebody gave me a plant once. It didn't survive. Then I had one of those money tree things. I don't think that made it either. There are a lot of little doodles in this book. I just don't really know which ones to lay down. I guess it doesn't really matter. Because like I said, this is super random. I just kind of wanted to put something on each day. So when I look in my planner, I can go, oh. I am trying to get used to using my tweezers. Other than that, nothing really exciting going on over here for the month of June. I'm going to put, I have an appointment on the 8th, so I'm just going to put down, if I can find it. I can find what I'm looking for, and I still haven't found what I'm looking for. I have like random songs pop in your head. It happens to me a lot when I'm in the grocery store, because they're playing these songs, and then when you leave out of the grocery store, you're singing this random song and you can't figure out why. I used to work at Publix. I used to work in the back office, so I used to hear all of the music. I don't know what that was. Did y'all hear that? Whatever it was, I hope everybody's okay. That was loud. My goodness. I don't want to go outside and look. I don't want to be nosy. But yeah. I don't know what that was. Yeah, one more sticker to lay down and I'll be done. Like I said, this is the most random thing that I've done in my planner. And I think I got something for every day. gosh, I really wish I knew what that noise was. I mean, it was loud. Y'all, it sounded like a bomb. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know. You know, sometimes loud, real loud firecrackers, they sound like bombs. That's what that sound like. And it just happened again. Oh. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, this was very random. Didn't have any plans. I just wanted to kind of lay some stickers down on my monthly view. All right, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.